Hi everyone, I'm here today to do a flip through of this Domino Soft personal size planner. This isn't for me. I've made this, well, I've bought it and set it up as a birthday present for my friend. So I thought before I wrapped it all up and sent it away, I would just do a quick flip through for you. So I got this off Amazon. It's a personal sized. It's the Domino Soft Filofax. It really is beautiful. I don't know why, but when I bought it, I thought that it was like a suede, but it's actually not. It's actually like a pleather, like a fake leather. It's really nice, really soft, beautiful. So I've set this up. It's not really decorative. It's not like extra decorative because I don't know what style of planning she's going to decide that she likes, but I've prettied it up and hopefully she will like it. So inside we've just got a journaling card from the Planner Society, some paper clips that I got from eBay, a little journaling card inside from Scribble Prints Co, and I laminate all my journaling cards and die cuts because I just think it helps them to last a bit longer and I like it that way. And then I've made a little washi card, just laminated some glitter card and then stuck some of my favourite washes in it. I've got a piece of acetate here with her name decal on it, and that's from Madison Fox Plans on Etsy. And then I made a confetti dashboard. I literally just sprinkled some confetti inside some laminating sheets and it turned out really nicely, and I just thought it matched the setup really nicely. I made a Simply Gilded and Other Washes dashboard, and then on the back there's a sticky pocket with some stickers in. I've got some like little tab stickers because I haven't labelled the tabs myself because I don't know what order she's going to want things in, or she might not want to. She might just want to leave them unlabelled so that she can decide what she's doing, but I'll just leave that for her. And then I did cut the top off because I needed them to fit in the pocket, but I've got some Coffee Monsters Co stickers that I just think she'll find really funny, so I've popped those in there. Then we've got a piece of vellum from the Happy Scrappy sub box, the B1. I've left in the Year at a Glance. It did come with inserts in, and I have left the inserts in as well, some of them. But I also did purchase some inserts and print them for her, and I will send her the files for those once I've given her the gift, because I won't use them. I don't plan in personal size, so I'll pass those along to her. There's some vellum from Blossom Nose Co, the little ruler that it came with, and then I've left the registration form in because she might want to register that herself. Then we've got some more vellum from the Happy Scrappy sub box. That one's like a holographic foil. That's my favourite kind of foil. And then I made another dashboard here. I've got two more of the Planner Society cards, and then on this side I just put some stickers, some sticky notes from Happy Scrappy, some more stickers and a die cut. This is from the Dotty Moo shop. It matches the bookmark at the bottom that I'll show you afterwards. That's just Minnie Mouse and some rose gold little bobbly ball things. And I just think that's beautiful. Then we've got our first divider, and this is taking her into the monthly section, and I put on some little sticky notes from the Happy Planner because that's what I do on mine, and then if I've got anything to write down I'll scribble it down and then stick it in the monthly until I can neatly write it in, because I don't want to scribble on the pages. These dividers I got from a lady on eBay, and there were 6 for £3.99 I think they were, and they're really good quality. They're laminated and double-sided, yeah. And then I've just stuck this die cut on the back and some Simply Gilded washi. I bought her the same monthly printable that I have in my personal wide. This is from Jasinia's Printables. It's just your standard monthly grid really. So I got that. Then we've got another clip from the Dotty Moo shop. That's like a plastic holographic pink, like not plastic, like a pleathery sort of material. It's a plastic and it made it sound really cheap. It's not, it's beautiful. another one of those cards, and I just stuck some washi on just to make it look a bit more decorative. And then there's a Happy Planner sticker on the bottom of that one. And then this is the weekly, and I again bought this printable from Jasinia's Printables on Etsy. It's just a week at a glance because I don't know what she's going to want to plan like I said. I don't know if she's going to want to use stickers. And then I did leave in the weekly that it came with as well. That's a bookmark that came along with the dividers. So I've left that weekly in as well. And then there's also, these are from Pure Planners on Instagram. She very kindly sent me these to use. And I did use them. I used to use them for meal planning, and then I had a few left over, so I've popped them in here for Danielle because she might want to use them. And then this is just something that I found in my stash. Somebody must have sent me that in Happy Mail, and obviously I don't have a personal planner, so it fitted nicely in here, so I've given that to Danielle. Then we've got some holographic sort of acetate. I don't know where that's from, I'm sorry. I don't know where that one's from. Another divider, just pop some washi on the bottom. That is from Josephine Bow Designs. You can really see the holographic colours on that in this light. That's amazing. I do PR for Josephine Bow Designs, so if you use the code RachelPlans15, you'll get 15% off your order over £5. You have to spend over £5, and you'll also get my free sampler as well. Then I made another dashboard. That's from Plan to Stitch Planning. This is Happy Scrappy paper. More Happy Scrappy paper. I can't take these out actually, I've washed them in. I made a bookmark with some sticker seals from Happy Scrappy. This one was from Plan to Stitch Planning, and then we've got this beautiful holographic pocket that is from Fab Planner Print. I PR for Fab Planner Print as well, so you can use the code FPPRachel10 and you'll get 10% off your order, but there's no minimum sum with that one. That's just on any spend. Another bookmark. And then I bought some printables from Peanuts Planner Co. Just the dailies, because I thought she might use those. And then another divider. That's just a paper clip that I made. I don't even know where I got that from. That's probably off an old bracelet or something. Plan to Stitch Planning. And then we've got some vellum from the Powder World. Beautiful vellum there. And then this came with it. I don't personally use contact sheets in my planner. You have everything on your phone now, don't you? But she might want them, so I've kept them in. Another divider with a clip from eBay. Another Planner Society journaling card with some more washi. A little unicorn from Little Pencil Design. And then I made another dashboard with one of those dollar spot pockets on, with some Filofabulous bows, and this little Polaroid girl is from the Powder World. It's actually a sticker, and I must have bought a set of them because I've got loads of them in my stash. I've got a bigger one in my own planner, but I just thought that was cute in here. And then lots and lots of different kinds of note paper. These came with it. It also came with blue and green, but I've took that out because obviously that doesn't go with the theme that we've got going on here. The rings are a bit stuffed, so she might want to take some stuff out. I don't know. I would be fine with it like this. I like a nice fat stuffed planner, but we'll see what she wants to do. And then we've got another dashboard, another divider, sorry, with a clip from eBay. That is from, is it from Plan to Stitch Planning? It might be. I left it plain on the back. And then we've got a year in pixels. That was a freebie printable from Annie Plans. And then we've got just some plain grid paper that came with the end of that printable. Some more vellum from Happy Scrappy. Some to-do lists. And then, another piece of cardstock at the bottom here. I like the back of this one. It's really cute. I love that. So cute. And then these dividers came with the planner, and I've just left them in because she might want to use them for something. She could maybe decorate them, cover up the numbers, or she might not want them. She might just want to stick to just one set of dividers. But I'm going to leave everything in so that she can decide what she wants to do herself. We're getting really stuffed at the end here now. And then we've got some vellum from Fab Planner Print. Then we've got a little sort of plasticky pocket that came with the planner, and inside I've put, whoops, if I can get them out. Here we go. Oh, come on. So we've got my freebie that you'll get if you order from Josephine Bow Designs. I've got a few of these, so I thought I'd tuck one in. And then I've got some little foiled boxes. I don't know where I got them from, but I just thought they were really cute. And some headers from a Happy Scrappy box, because you always get sent 2 sets. And then lastly at the back, I've got a journaling card that came from Filofax, which I love. I've got one of those myself as well. And then I got this, is actually, it was just like a piece of thick card from Fab Planner Prints, and I think you're supposed to write on it, but it was just too nice to write on it once and throw away, so I've laminated it, and I thought that maybe she could write on it with a marker and wipe it off so she can reuse it. I thought that was quite fun. And then lastly, I've just put in this pen from a Happy Scrappy box, because I just thought it matched the setup really well. So that's it. Oh, and I've got the bookmark at the bottom, which was in the matching set from Dotty Moo shop. So yeah, so that is everything in this planner that I'm going to send to my friend. I'm really hopeful that she'll like it. She did buy herself a planner. This is how I decided to do it for her. She bought herself a planner a few months ago, and when it came, I'm not going to say what brand it was because I don't want to talk negatively about anybody, but it was dirty and she sent it back, and she never ended up ordering herself a new one. So hopefully she'll be quite pleased with this. But I'll see you again soon with another flip through of my I'll do my planner. I think we'll do my Himalayan salt, my Foxy Fix. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.